Welcome to Living Clean in the Country, and welcome back to day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas prep, where I give you ideas on how to get your house ready for Christmas. Today, I'm going to show you how to infuse olive oil. To a saucepan, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ginger and letting it heat up on medium-low heat until fragrant. Then I'm adding 1 cup of olive oil and bringing that up to temperature, basically just to a light simmer. Allow it to simmer for about a minute or 2, and then strain with a mesh strainer and put into a jar of your choice. I repeated the same method with garlic and chili peppers. Dill and oregano are also favorites of mine. And there you have it, a very simple way to add flavor to your cooking, or it is a perfect gift for someone in your life who enjoys cooking. I hope you give this simple recipe a try. I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.